Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, if I can ask you all to please like, share, subscribe if you already haven't. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. I really appreciate it. Tell your friends and family all about us. We're growing pretty good. I appreciate all your help. All right, today we're going to do Orange Roughy. Now back in the 80s and 90s, every high-end restaurant you went to in Vegas had Orange Roughy. And then early 2000s, it seemed to have disappeared. And I haven't seen it in any menu or restaurant in years. Well, today I was at the store and boom, Orange Roughy was back. So apparently it's made a comeback. I guess it was overfished for years and years and was almost extinct. And they put a ban on it. Well, now it's back and it's thriving. So it's available everywhere. So I'm going to show you how to make the best Orange Roughy you've ever had. And if you've never had Orange Roughy, you got to try it. It is a super mild white fish. It's not fishy at all like salmon. It's delicious. We're doing it next, so stick around.
All right, let's get started. First, we're going to need a good bunch of Italian parsley that we're going to need to chop up nice. I can't tell you how excited I am to get to make this Orange Roughy dish. It's been so many years since I've had it. It was always one of my favorite fishes. Now we're going to get the flame on, about medium. Get our pan out there. And we're going to add some butter. 1 full stick. And once that's melted down, we're just going to take our Orange Roughy fillets and slide them right into that butter. Now these are pretty thin, so they're going to cook about 4 to 5 minutes per side. And we're going to get our spatula and gently turn them over. Try not to break them. If you have to rotate the pan like I did to get a better angle, go ahead and do it. All right. Now, once it's all done, the fish is cooked, we're just going to put it on a platter, pop it in the microwave for a few minutes to sit and stay warm while we work on our sauce. Alright, so we're going to add about a 1/4 stick more of butter and some capers to our saucepan. Next, we're going to add some white wine. And remember, if you don't drink the wine, you don't cook with the wine. So, we're going to drink the wine and then we're going to cook with the wine. Now, if you don't like wine, don't want to use alcohol at all, use chicken broth. That'll work just as fine. So we'll take a little sip, make sure we can cook with that. Pretty good. So let's pour some into our saucepan. There we go. We'll give that a little mix. Next, we're going to take 1 lemon and we're going to use our microplane and zest 1 whole lemon right into our saucepan. And while I'm doing that, if you could please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest videos. Tell your friends and family all about us. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. So we'll get all that zest into our sauce. One teaspoon of white pepper. And no, you cannot use black pepper. There's a difference between the two. We'll mix that up. And that lemon that we zested, now we're going to cut in half and squeeze the juice into the saucepan. And no worries about seeds because these are seedless lemons. Then we're going to add most of the parsley that we chopped up earlier. We're going to save a little bit for garnish at the end. And we'll put that in there, mix it up good. Little teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake, optional. If you don't like any spice, leave it out. If you like a little kick, keep it in. And sliced almonds, and you are ready to plate. All right, enjoy this wonderful dish.